Hi year 8s. Okay, so after that last exercise, now we skip a few on the course outline and we jump right to 4H. So we're doing volume and capacity now. So I'll let you copy down those notes. So we'll do it nice and slow. Excellent. So thanks for copying down those notes. Okay, so let's go through it. Volume is measured in cubic units. So volume of a 3D shape is just where you multiply the three dimensions together if it's a prism. We'll get to that in a minute. So that's things like you might get an answer as 54 metres cubed or 200 centimetres cubed. That is a volume. And then if we fill that object with water or a liquid, that is called a capacity. So capacity is how much liquid that the shape can fill, that the shape can hold, and is measured in things like mils, litres, kilolitres or megalitres. So that's things like your 2 litres of milk. That is a capacity. But if we measured the distances of the milk carton, the three distances, we can work out the volume of it. Okay, so I've got here mils, litres. There are 1,000 mils in a litre. And then there's 1,000 litres in a kilolitre. That's a big K followed by an L, is a kilolitre. And then there's 1,000 kilolitres in a megalitre. Make sure you put a capital M for that, a megalitre, because otherwise it confuses with mils, which are very small units. Okay, and quick conversions again, because we've done these for length and then we did it for area. So this time, kilometres to metres, we normally times it by 1,000. But this time, of course, because they're cubed, you times it by 1,000 cubed. So instead of 3 zeros, there's 9 zeros, which is a billion. Let's do the next one quickly. Metres to centimetres times it by 100, but cubed. So instead of 2 zeros, there's 6 zeros. So it's a million. And this time, instead of timesing it by 10, you times it by 10 cubed, which is 1,000. And on the way back, it's exactly the same, but in opposite. So divide by 1,000, divide by 1 million. And this one is divide by 1 billion. Alright, so you should be able to work that out again from our original one, just with length. Alright, another conversion you need to know. Pretty much, when you work out a volume first, you can change it to a capacity. So there are two conversions you need to remember. 1 centimetre cubed is the same as 1 mil. So 1 centimetre cubed is about the size of a little dice. So if you've got a little dice, it's pretty much 1 centimetre by 1. If you fill that up with water, it's 1 mil of water. So you can remember the conversions are the same. So if we had 54 cubic centimetres, it's 54 mils. Excellent. The second one is 1 metre cubed. 1 metre cubed is like a rainwater tank that they have at the school. So it's 1 metre wide by 1 metre long by 1 metre high. And that's actually 1,000 litres. And 1,000 litres is the same as 1 kilolitre. Kilo means 1,000. So 1,000 litres or 1 kilolitre is the same as 1 metre cubed. So that's the other conversion you need. So to get from volume to capacity, use either one of these conversions. And you're good. Let's do some examples in a second. First we need to know what a rectangular prism is. It's simply a box. And the volume of a box is length times width times height. You multiply the three dimensions together. So length times width times height. So here's a question. Find the capacity. Notice it didn't ask for the volume. We need to find the volume first. So the volume is length times width times height. So the volume is 10 by 3. 10 times 3 times 4. So let's see if we can work that out. Now, mental maths. 3 fours are 12 and times it by 10. So it's 120. The units are centimetres cubed. So the volume is 120 centimetres cubed. Good job. You've done the first part of it. Now we have to change it to capacity. Notice here I've got nice neat working out and it says volume each time. Now I'm going to say capacity equals. And remember our conversion from centimetres cubed to mils is the same. So our capacity is 120 mils. And well done. You've just converted from volume to capacity. It's the same units, same number I mean. Excellent, let's do one more. This time you notice the units are in metres. So let's find the volume. Volume is length times width times height. 6 times 2 times 3. 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 metres cubed. Okay, so that's our volume. To change it to capacity, capacity equals, so metres cubed to get to litres, you times it by 1,000. So it's 36,000 litres. So if you had something that's 36 metres cubed, it would hold 36,000 litres of water. But you can simplify that because 1,000 litres is 1 kilolitre, so it's the same as 36 kilolitres. And you can just write it like that, and you're done. Good job. Have a look here, exercise 4H, page 240, 1 to 4 every second question, and 5 to 9. Good job everyone. Keep up with the homework, only 1 to go. Don't forget, smash that like button.